Oh, well, we weren't expecting that one today. Woo! Mo Rovers, mo problems. Ah, it's a twofer. Check out that angle. We're about to do the Range Rover dealership test. Holy shit, he got in it. I hope this is not what's about to happen. Look at the, oh man. Holy shit, man. Okay, that makes sense. Oh man. I was about to say they're good off-road, but not that good off-road. And then there was more. Another one. So if you just watched the video of the Supercharge, you're gonna want to stick around and see the LR3, and I think we actually got a winner here, guys. This one seems good. It's not making any bad smells. It started on the first turn of the key. The guy drove it off the truck and it's still running. All wins. You know, it's just stick to the bread and butter, just naturally aspirated L322 4.4s and LR3's. You know, let's just keep it simple, but let's take a walk around this one. This is a 2006 and I think it's an SE. It's pretty base model. It has halogen headlights, no fog lamps, but it does have roof racks and running boards. This was a Missouri car actually, and it's pretty rust free. I didn't see anything from just a quick walk around. Got good new tires, brakes look good, wheels not all scratched up, factory running boards, good tread on the rear tires, great tread. Actually, those rotors look good as well. I mean, this seems pretty legit, honestly. It's white, you know, that's a great color for these. Super straight body. This is no accidents, you know, 2-owner dealer maintained truck. So this is a live one. Jumping on the inside. Clean interior, very clean. No major smells or anything like that. Let's see, does the parking brake work? The parking brake works? That's insane. Will it release? Yep, it'll release. I got the heat on, the heat's working. Heated seats, so you got a cold weather package. No screen, love that. No rips really so much in the leather. Good dash, small cracking around there. Here, check this out. I've never seen this. This is actually pretty clean. Rear camera. And it's integrated there nicely. It's you know, it's not a cheap job. What else? Oh, man, this thing's locked. All right, got the doors open. Clean back seats, great carpets, mats in the back. Headliner's not sagging. I mean, do you think I got a good one here, guys? Let me know. I think we have a good one. Here's another thing. Unlike this one with the dressed up engine bay. Unlike the one with the dressed up engine bay, this one's nice and dusty. Just not cleaned, no bullshit, just nice and dusty like you want to see it. Orange coolant, you know, it's the little stuff. That's exactly how you want things to come. This is a no frills, white truck, good tires. I'm excited. I'm not gonna drive or anything yet. Just want to do the quick drop off. This one's also gonna be, we're gonna go through it. Obviously get it inspected, do what it needs, and it'll be for sale. If it's not sold tonight, I already have a little bit of interest. So nice truck, again, 2-owner, clean truck, 188,000 miles, but again, that's nothing for an LR3 with this drivetrain. So cool. Really, not really much else to say. I'm pumped. So we're definitely gonna have another video on this one. If you're interested, shoot me an email, drop some in the comments below. This seems to be a good truck, but obviously we're gonna verify that and make sure it's great. So appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned for more content, and please subscribe. It really helps.